Today we want to look at how to find the magnitude and direction of the resultant force of two forces acting on a body. And we are picking our question from JAMB question, particularly year 2000. Okay, let's see the question and then find an answer to it. Yeah, we have two forces, each of 10 Newton, act on a body, one towards the north and the other towards the east. The magnitude and direction of the resultant force is what? So we are finding the magnitude and direction of the resultant of the two forces. Okay, let's go. Good. Now we have, it's a simple question. This question involves perpendicular forces. Okay, one towards the north and the other. Now we have a cardinal point. This is north, this is south, this is west, this is east. And we have one force acting towards the east, so this is gone, this is gone. So we are particular about north and east. So these are the two forces acting on the body, and say each of them 10 Newton. 10 Newton, okay, they are equal forces. So it's a simple question. So if you're a sound math student, we have an equilateral right-angled triangle here. Of course, this must be equal to this. Right, so this is 10 Newton, and this one is 10 Newton. Okay, that's what it means with proper labeling. Now, we want to find the value of the resultant, the magnitude, and also we want to find the direction. The direction is this. Okay? Now, we always find a direction with reference to the horizontal. Okay? Now, let's solve. From Pythagoras theorem, we know that r squared is equal to 10 squared plus 10 squared. But as a mathematics student, the answer is supposed to be 10 root 2. Okay? Because this one is 1, this one is root 2. By identity, when you have an equilateral right angle triangle, this is 1, this is 1, this will be root 2. So when you have 10 here, 10, that means you are multiplying by a factor of 10. By a factor of 10. Automatically it's 1, 2 times 10. So it's going to be 10 root 2. That's the magnitude. But let's work it out. Let's work it out. So we have r squared being equal to 100 plus 100. That gives us what? 200. So r therefore is what? Root 200, right? And that's what? Root 100 times root 2, which is what? 10 times root 2, giving us 10 root 2. So that's the magnitude of the resultant. The next thing is to find, we have to find the direction. The direction is theta. Okay, now finding the direction is very easy. We use the mnemonics that we call it SOHCAHTOA in mathematics. That mnemonic is used to solve problems that involve sine, cos, and those are the three trig ratios. So this time around, check out, this is our angle theta, this is opposite, and this is what? Adjacent. So of course, normally when you have 1, 1, that's the only case. We have only one case where that can happen, that's 45. We have isosceles, it's not equilateral, isosceles. We have isosceles right angle triangle, which are what? At 45, 45, and so with 90. So in that case, that means this theta is what? 45 degree. Okay, that's 45 degree. Now, when we look at that question, we have 45 degree what? Is it 45 degree west or 45 degree east? Now, we need to know that this is 45 degree what? Now, this is not 45 degree. We count from here 45 degree up. Now, normally that is called 45 degree Let me clean this thing so that my students will understand perfectly. This is bearing now. We're looking at bearing. This is our north. This is our west. Okay, and we have this place as 45 degrees. Okay, so how do you measure this? This 45 degree here. This is actually 45 degree also. So we call this one 45 degree west of what? North. You get it? So that is what? The resultant. The resultant is what? 45 degree west of north. Okay? So what's the answer that we got here? We got magnitude as 10 root 2 Newton and 45 degree west of north. So that is the answer. That's the magnitude and the direction of that resultant. So to solve this problem, students need to really understand bearing. Bearing is very important in solving problems that involve direction of resultant. Then knowledge of triangle geometry is required in finding the magnitude of the resultant of forces, especially when they are perpendicular forces. Perpendicular or no perpendicular, we need to understand shapes in order to be able to solve problems on resultant of forces. Okay, how would that lead you somewhere? Wish you the very best, and I once again invite you to go to this blog anytime you are free, anytime you are free, just go through it. You will discover some news information, academic information, and resources that will surely help you in boosting your potential and also preparing you for your exam. There is no cause for alarm. Just make sure you study steadily and be diligent, be consistent. That's just the secret. I wish you all the best.